Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to change the color part of photo in Photopea software. So let's started. At first, open your Photopea software. Now you can see change the color part of picture. Now go into the file one option, then click. Now click from open and palettes option. Now select from picture. Now click for open option. Now you can see now it resize your picture. Now click from tick mark option. Now we show the change color part of picture. Now going to the toolbar option. Now we select from rectangle tool. Now we select from rectangle. Now we going to the layer option. Now click from layer, new layer option. Now I going to the first layer. Now for click. Now click from color hand option. Now select from any source color. Now click for OK option. Now keyboard press Alt backspace. That's it. Now you can see then I going to the opacity option. Now select from opacity. Now opacity and 50%. That it. Now I going to the move tool option. That it. Now you show change color part of picture in Photopea software is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.